In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access TradingView premium features through several legitimate methods available in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, finding the right tools is crucial, and TradingView Premium offers some of the best in the market. You have more than one avenue to explore, and I'll guide you through each option so you can decide what works best for you. First, let's talk about utilizing the official TradingView trial. It's a straightforward process that begins by visiting the TradingView pricing page on their official website. Here you'll be able to see various subscription options. Look for the Try Free for 30 days button under the Plus and Premium plans. This option allows you to experience TradingView's comprehensive toolset without immediate financial commitment. To activate this trial, you'll need to provide your payment details. Remember, while this trial is completely free for 30 days, you must be vigilant to cancel before the trial ends to avoid any charges. Now, if you're looking for ways to obtain a free TradingView premium plan beyond the typical trial, many brokers offer this service as a promotional bonus to their clients. Your journey begins by choosing a broker that is currently offering this promotion. Consider options such as Tradu, Vantage Markets, Bavoy Dice Markets, or Black Bull Markets. Once you've selected a broker, open a live brokerage account and complete the account verification process. After being verified, you'll need to meet the brokerage's minimum funding requirements, which can vary depending on the broker and the specific TradingView plan you're interested in, whether that's Essential, Plus, or Premium. Once your account is funded, follow the broker's detailed instructions on how to proceed, which typically involves reaching out to their support team with your TradingView and broker account details. After processing, the broker will confirm your eligibility and subsequently upgrade your TradingView account status. Another insightful option is using certain brokerage platforms, like Upstocks, which integrate TradingView's charting capabilities directly. By signing up for and maintaining an account with these platforms, you can enjoy the seamless access to these advanced features along with other integrated services and tools, offering a comprehensive trading experience. When engaging in any of these trials or plans, you gain access to an array of premium benefits. Enjoy an ad-free experience, which can greatly enhance your focus and effectiveness. Furthermore, you can utilize more indicators per chart with up to 25 available and have more charts on a single screen, allowing for an expansive view of market data. These features provide a substantial advantage, enabling you to conduct in-depth analysis and make informed trading decisions. By exploring these options, you can access top-tier trading tools to enhance your strategy without initial cost, making it easier to integrate TradingView's extensive features into your trading regimen.